Hi, my first grade friends. Let's get ready for Fundations. The materials you will need at home today are index cards, a red crayon, notebook, and pencil. The materials you will need in school are index cards, a red crayon, your dry erase boards, and markers. Today's objective is I can identify and use suffix s. So we are learning new trick words this week, and the first one we are going to learn is R. It is not the letter R by itself. It is spelled A-R-E. That's why trick words we really can't tap out. So how do I use the word R in a sentence? Are you going home? This is a question sentence. I have a question at the end of my sentence, a question mark at the end of my sentence. Can you find any other trick words in this sentence? Good, you. That is a trick word we learned a few weeks ago. The next trick word we are going to learn this week is were. How do I use the word were in a sentence? Were you at the beach today? This is another question sentence, and notice how I underline my digraph CH at the end of beach. Do you see any other trick words? Good, you and the. Now let's get ready to echo. Remember, when you see echo the owl, you repeat after me. A, apple, a. B, bat, b. C, cat, k. D, dog, d. E, ed, e. F, fun, f. G, game, g. H, hat, h. I, itch, I. J, jug, j. K, kite, k. L, lamp, l. M, man, m. N, nut, n. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, p. Q, queen, qu. R, rat, S, snake, s. T, top, t. U, up, V, van, v. W, wind, w. X, fox, x. Y, yellow, y. Z, zebra, z. WH, whistle, w. CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, th. CK, sock, k. ALL, ball, all. AN, fan, an. AM, ham, am. Now let's pause the video and stretch all our vowel sounds. We are going to tap out some nonsense words. Nonsense words are not real words. There are silly words that make no sense, but we can practice tapping with them. So let's get ready to tap. Let's start right up here. We're going to go in a line across. Ready? Z, zuff. Good. Now let's tap out this word. Qu, am, quam. Now this word. Z, an, zan. Now this word. G, guff. Right here. Ch, ah, chuff. Now let's tap this word. L, b, leb. Now the bottom row, starting with this word. W, b, wob. Now this one. Eh, meth. And the last one. V, shav. Good. Those are some silly words. Now we are going to talk about adding the suffix s to a word. Sometimes we need to add the letter s to the end of the word to show that there's more than one. So for example, we have the word here, shop. If we add the suffix s, or we add an s to the end of shops, that means more than one shop is open. So one shop is open. I add my suffix s. Many shops are open. That means there's more than one shop that is open. So shop is something called the base word. The base word means the word that we would normally use. And s is the suffix, which means we added something to the end of our word to make it more than one. So shop plus the suffix s makes shops. So now I want you to look at this word, bug. I see one bug. There's one bug here. Now if we add a suffix s, we get bugs. I see many bugs. So look how there's one bug, many bugs. There's more than one. So the suffix in this word is bug. I see many bugs when I add the suffix s, but the suffix s does not make the s sound. Do you know what sound it is making? The new sound that s is making is z. Sometimes when you add s to the end of a word, it makes the z sound instead of the s sound. It depends on the word. So we have a new card that we are going to practice when we are echoing letters. So S, bugs, Z. So in the word shops, the suffix S says S. But in the word bugs, the suffix S says Z. Now let's identify the base word in the words. So what is the base word in the word shops? Good. It is shop. What is the base word, in the word bugs? That's right, bug. So I just want you to know that we do not tap out the suffix s. I know that sounds confusing, but we only need to tap out the base word. So if I'm tapping out bugs, I'm just tapping out b, g, and then I'm stopping on that ring finger. So let's play a suffix sort. I want you to listen to the words and then you tell your teachers that which category that this word belongs in. So this word is Docks. Does the suffix S make the S sound or the Z sound? Good. Docks makes the S sound. Now let's listen to the suffix S in this word, dogs. Does the suffix S in dogs say the S sound or the Z sound? Good. It makes the Z sound. Now this next word, pets. Does the suffix S make the S sound or the Z sound? Good. The S sound. And the last word, pens. Does the suffix S make the S sound or the Z sound? Good, the Z sound. So depending on the word and the ending of the word, the suffix S can say S or Z. Now I want you to take out your dry erase boards. And if you're at home, you can write this on an index card or a notebook. But this is how we mark a suffix S. First, we scoop or underline the base word. Next, we circle the suffix. Then we write the sound the suffix S makes above the S. So I have a dash here, the Z, and another dash because this S says the Z sound. So I want you to practice writing this on your dry erase boards. And I want you to practice marking. Now I want you to practice the word rocks. So please write the word rocks on your dry erase boards. And this is how we mark suffix S. So on this word, bugs makes the Z sound, but we are going to scoop our base word in rocks, circle the suffix S, but this sound, this S makes the S sound. So I put an S on top of my S. Now you are going to try these on your own. Have a great day.